Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. So as I was saying earlier, that in the first topic what we are often asked in the examinations, and that is often question number 1 along with the different definitions, is to convert the quantities into SI units. For example, momentum, for example, force, pressure, power, energy, charge, voltage. Each and everything they said that convert it into SI units. So we will be going step by step. For momentum, we say what is the formula of momentum? It is mass into velocity, right? So mass SI unit is kg, velocity msi minus 1 negative 1. What is force? Force is defined as mass into acceleration, right? Later mg if we are talking about gravitational acceleration. And remember fellas, in A level physics you have to take the value of g as 9.81 not 10. Okay, this is essential. Okay, so m is denoted by kg, acceleration denoted by ms minus 2, pressure is defined as what? That is force applied on an area. So force divided by area. Force is defined as, we have already found it out, kg ms minus 2. Area is defined as m2. So we will be taking this 2 upwards, so it will become kg ms minus 4. Now what about power? But before going to power, we will be doing energy, because power, what is defined as what? Energy per unit time. So what is energy? Remember fellas, when we talked about energy in the O levels and in the O level physics, energy has the same unit as work done. And then we used to talk about that, okay, what is work done then? Work done is force multiplied by the distance that is covered in the direction of the force. So when we are talking about energy, so it means that if it has the same unit, it has the same meaning as well. So we will be using this method to calculate the SI unit of energy. So coming back to it, force multiplied by distance covered in the direction of force. Force is defined as kg ms minus 2 multiplied by distance, that is m, that is equivalent to kg m square s minus 2. Now coming to power. What is power? Power is defined as energy per unit time. So simply energy, we are familiar with the SI unit of energy. We will just multiply, divide it by s, that is equivalent to, it will go up, it will become kg m square s minus 3. Now what about charge? Charge is defined as, if you look at the formula of current, right, I, that is charge per time, right, q over t. So charge will be it. So coulomb is equivalent to, I is denoted by as, so it is simply as. Now what is voltage? Voltage is defined as energy per unit charge. This definition is really important if you are going to find out the real meaning and the real SI unit, and this will also helps you when you are writing the definition that comes in the part 1, that is the question 1 of the exams. So what is voltage? That is energy dissipated per unit charge. Okay, so what is energy? This one. So kg m square s minus 2, this is energy per unit charge. So this one. And what is charge? Minus 1 minus 1, that is equivalent to kg m2 s minus 3 a minus 1. Now if you talk about another quantity, that is resistance. Ohm, the symbol, the unit is ohm. So that resistance is V over I, that is voltage divided by current, and that is equals to kg m2, sorry, where is V? Where it is? It's over here now. So kg, sorry, I have written over here, it is kg m 2 s minus 3 and a minus 2. Since I is over here in division, so that's why it becomes like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.